Welcome back to the Sons of the Forest. The story continues. And hopefully we can finish this time.
What? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. I'm getting through it.
I'm gonna kill him now.
I'm also hiding from you ever so slightly. I did say slightly.
So not at all.
Well, it's kind of hard to hide in this thing.
Okay.
And help.
No, you can hide. It's so easy to hide. Why aren't you hiding? Okay, I know we gotta look around again because there was ammo and shit in here and I don't remember where it all was.
Yeah, it wasn't over here. It was over here.
Oh, I don't like this.
Look.
Look.
I have a grenade.
Just A?
Yeah,
Oh,
just
that's
A.
funny. It saved me with a shotgun, apparently.
That's weird.
Yeah, I did. And I didn't have one because I gave mine to Virginia. Shut up, radio. Actually need electronics, so die.
Oh,
What?
we missed a lore thing last time.
What?
Crosses burn demons.
Hmm.
Huh.
Should I start walking around with the cross out? Wait. I wonder about those things, the crawly things.
That is a good
apparently,
point.
I've never pulled the cross out.
Yeah, well, I have, just to get rid of that low ammunition it has, but...
Apparently, I never did. Oh, hi. Ah! Oh, the door's open.
No, it's not.
In my screen it is. So it saves for me when you disconnect. I didn't realize this. So when the host leaves, it auto-saves me. Just not my location. So I have all my stuff. That is kind of nice, though.
Have the cross out. Let's see what it does.
I'm just curious. Probably will do nothing, but... Oh!
Huh. Huh.
That's pretty damn effective.
Yeah. I don't
Skin.
care for the effect it has on the skin, but...
I've been
I wasn't
wondering.
expecting that, to be honest.
Neither was I. I wonder if this works on all the mutants, or just these ones.
I honestly have no idea.
Because I pulled it out on cannibals before, I think. Before the last one of the times you crashed. But, yeah, you see the other one down there. Yeah. You know, I'm killing him. Where is he? You're screaming somewhere. Yeah. 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 He cared. He didn't like being backed in the corner. Scan.
And
More armor. This is awesome.
yeah, it would have been nice to know it last time.
Yeah, no shit.
Run!
I mean, now I feel invincible with a cross.
Was this box here last time?
I don't remember. It might have been. I don't know. You were here before I was last time.
I don't remember the box being there.
I was wondering if you were gonna forget about the drop.
You know, it'd be interesting
What?
if it made these bodies burn too. I say interesting, but also terrifying at the same time.
Ma! Die! Burn! Thank you. I started.
Yeah, there's one over here too.
Well, there's also like 3 of these things.
Oh god, the power of Christ compels you.
Pretty much. I'm not going to try to skin that. Even if it does die in there. Or does it die? He's just like sitting there just like taking this.
Your dad and
Hi. Just kidding. More armor. I need more. We were going through here all loud. Now we're just walking through going, yeah, with our crosses.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, God. So apparently they're demons. What the hell's going on this island? So obviously there's more than just mutants from the machine. Yeah! Yeah! Fucking love it.
It's very random.
Ah! There's another one! Die! I guess that's why they call them demons. I mean, look at this place down here. It does look like hell. God, there's so many! I'm skinning all of them.
There's more of them.
I know, but I'm still gonna skin all of them until I am full on armor. And I mean full inventory. If I need it, I'll have it.
Jesus.
How many of them are down there?
A lot.
So,
Well, we would have ran out of ammo.
oh hey, guess what? I'm full on armor. If you, if we ever need to pile up on creep armor, we know where to go. Because this is pretty easy to do. There better be something else down here.
There's a second door around this way.
I'm trying to burn this one still, but... Unless the lava doesn't actually burn you, you know, early access, but I haven't tried.
I don't want to try. I'm thirsty.
There's so many of those things out there still, and I know it. Oh look, boxes. Oh look, lore.
Q activates every 8 cycles. That does not make me happy.
What is this cube? This is a 3rd artifact. The original only had 2 artifacts. You heard that too, don't you?
Hear you.
So maybe it's not a prequel. I don't know.
They filled up the crater.
Entirely possible.
Why are you crouching?
I don't know. So it felt like crouching.
You didn't realize you were crouching, did you?
Probably not. Yeah. There's so many hanging bodies down here. What are they trying to do? Feed the demons to death?
Potentially. Oh, hey.
Something? I didn't see it.
Out, demon. And stay in the cube.
So I take it these people that are dead down here were some religious fanatics that were trying to push them in to keep them in the cube?
Oh god, it's Pandora's box.
Possibly. Granted, you would say they're religious fanatics, but when you can do this and light things on fire, that's probably where all of their belief at that point came from.
Yeah.
You know, it kind of makes the whole, idea of it solidified when you could just go, yeah.
Oh, don't fall down that way.
Why? Is it a short drop?
It was hanging on the fucking wall. I didn't even fucking see it.
You light them, you stab them, I'll light them on fire.
Give me a second.
Yeah, it's fine. Actually.
Energy and thirst.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that and get some food to top up while we're stopped.
Oh man, this is very atmospheric, even on low graphics.
Yeah. They did a good job on that. And it definitely feels like going down into hell.
Big kick.
Yeah? Yeah! Okay.
The fact I haven't seen any in here yet is.
Yeah, you're watching forward, I'm watching like across the river because I know they just run across.
One in front of us.
Yeah. I need a bigger cross.
Probably could jump that too, but I don't want to.
They're all on that side. Let's stay over here. You missed that these stalactites that are in here aren't breakable? Remember they used to explode? That was the first thing I tried when I saw them, and they don't go kaboom anymore and go across the room. It was a little ridiculous, but it was fun.
This cave is huge.
Yeah, I wish I could look at the map and see what part of the map we're underneath. Yeah!
Give me a second.
I'd skin all these if I were you. Pile up on some of that armor.
Yeah.
I'm fucking stacked on armor. Oh! Oh. Ow. You've been losing no health, and all of a sudden you hit me once and like quarter fucking half my health gone.
Give me a second. I need to heal again.
I don't blame you. I'm doing the same thing.
I know If you get hit while you're healing, it just stops it.
Yeah.
Dead body.
I'm crafting some stuff. Hold on. Okay. Dead body? Oh, I see. All these people down here look like they were burned alive, like this place fills up with lava. Whoa! I know it's ridiculous, but I like it. I'm helping too. Ow! Oh, Jesus! Please shoot those! Okay, all the other ones ran off because I pulled the cross out at least. Ow! I think I see why they gave us so much damn ammo. Granted, it looked like so much for like a whole box of ammo, and this is like 4 shells.
Yeah, I don't think I like buckshot. I think I prefer the slug.
Well, yeah, slug's definitely going to do more damage. Buckshot be a little more closer range.
Yeah, it's still taking 2 shots even for those ones.
I was doing 1 if they were like face to face, but if they were any distance, it was taking 2. When we did earlier. There's another one. Lit. Lit. Lit.
Another one behind you.
Whoop. I'm just gonna keep lighting them on fire with the cross.
Yeah, I'm good. Just gonna vote for the revolver.
I don't know how much more damage the revolver does. I've yet to use it.
We'll find out. Ooh, shiny gold stuff.
Whatever this
And
stuff is. And what?
Box is empty.
No, it had 2 wires in it.
Not for me.
I don't know what you're talking about. It was just kind of phased in the floor. I couldn't even see it. I just looked at it and it popped up wire.
Okay.
Oh.
Keep your friends close.
Was there something to pick up?
Kelvin? Kelvin?
Who is this? Who is... That's not Kelvin, but...
Kelvin's in here with us now. I think that's one of the other guys.
We're in the,
We're in the queue.
Yeah, and that was the guy in the white vest behind all this. Who is this guy?
Excuse you?
What?
I think we're being... what? Excuse you? The fuck?
What?
What?
A city?
Very futuristic city.
Okay, the forest just took a giant turn, and this is probably going to be the next forest game in the future? What?
Or, more to the story from this.
I don't know. I don't know what their thoughts are. Their stories have always had so many twists in the first one, I couldn't tell you. What is going on?
I don't know. I don't like that wall.
The box just closed up again?
So...
If you weren't in the box, that's what happened to you?
Mm-hmm.
So all,
Every 8 seconds.
all those blobs we ran into was that.
Brittany? Oh. I think she died.
Brittany? What?
Virginia.
Oh.
Yeah, I think she just died.
So we could choose to leave or continue playing.
I haven't gotten to that point.
How have you not gotten to this?
I'm still in the cutscene. I can see you running around.
Oh, you're in that part. Oh, choose your bag or the helicopter? Maybe? Yep.
What do you want to choose?
I already picked the bag up.
Goodbye.
So that's the end of the story. Oh, you left me.
Goodbye.
No! God damn it. Whoa, this is also part of the island I've never been to.
Oh, hey! Virginia's still alive.
I kind of hate the fact that I didn't get to end right there.
Yeah, you're the one that just ran around and picked up your bag.
Well, I mean, that's the normal thing we always go do. God damn it, I'm not going to see the cutscene now.
Sure you are.
No, I'm not.
Also, is that a dock? That's a dock.
That I'm standing on? Yeah.
I didn't see you. But...
There's literally a concrete dock over here that the helicopter's landed next to. I don't even know where the fuck I am on the island. Oh, we've been here too. Because there's a house, like, for one of our little tents is right down the way.
I don't remember that being there.
I don't either. Because it says one of our tents is, like, fucking just down the beach from here. Unless if we just didn't come this far down.
That's possible.
I'm curious what's going to happen. Because you left and I'm here.
Nah, I'm just going through the credits right now.
So no big old cutscene or anything?
No, I mean, Virginia's still alive, apparently.
I mean, I kind of expected as much. She seemed to be
passed out in the cube.
She wasn't in the cube.
Yes, she was.
I didn't see her in there at all.
She was in the cube for me.
Virginia wasn't there and Kelvin wasn't there. There was some other dude.
Both Virginia and Kelvin were in the cube for me.
Yeah, not for me. Only person that was there is whoever that other person was.
Which I'm assuming is one of the other people that were with you in the beginning.
Yeah, that's what I would assume too. Well, I guess this series is at an end until the forest gets updated, and they'll probably add more to it.
Or will they?
I mean, they probably will. They did the same with the last one. They changed a bunch of shit. I mean, you never saw the other two artifacts or anything like that. Where the hell is this tent? I want to know. What? And it's also showing a point of interest. So there's like more points of interest now? Oh no, this is right down the beach, I think, from the entrance to the bunker.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, we didn't just go that far. So where the helicopter we took off from is just down the beach from where we set up the tent at the bunker entrance. I'm still curious what's going to happen. Hello?
I'm here. I'm just going through the credits still.
You can't just skip?
I don't want to skip.
Why would you want to watch credits?
Because there could be a secret at the end.
Yeah, but when they do it in games, you literally skip credits and it takes you to whatever the secret is, so you don't have to wait.
You never know, they might not do it this way.
Oh, God.
Also, it's not letting me skip. I can fast forward it, but that's about it. Oh.
Host not responding.
Look what you made me do.
Host disconnected.
Oh, no, I just got sent back to the main screen.
Yeah. They're probably going to have something at the end of it later, but that city thing, I want to know more.
Honestly, all I can guess is that's what the Cuban O part, and that's from the future.
Yeah. You got to think, though, that blob guy, the guy that knocked us out that, wasn't in the box, Every person we ran into that was a blob, now we know what created them.
Yeah. Every 8 cycles.
That they were just in a different section of that cave, probably.
Exit.
Oh, God.
Well, that was Sons of the Forest. We'll see you guys next time.
See ya.